welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And if you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. As you can see by this thumbnail, we're doing some back to school Shein haul. So as you know, I have some co-stars that make their appearance here and there, but it is time to get ready for go back to school. Okay, so what better way to get them ready for school than to get some back to school clothes. I also purchased other back to school clothes, but they're not from Shein, so I didn't know if y'all wanted to mix and match different places. I probably should have just did a big back to school. That probably would have been better, but I recently got the package, so I was like, let me go ahead and do this video. So definitely know if you guys want to see some more back to school, because I definitely did get some. We went to Old Navy, Target, different places, Carter's, all that. So I definitely have a whole bunch of stuff. So if you want to see that, let me know. But right now we're doing a Shein haul. Even though my daughter, she's in daycare, we did still get her, like, you can't get one something without the other. So I definitely got her some stuff that I'm going to incorporate in this haul. But y'all, let's stop the chit chat. Let's get to it. Y'all already know one thing I love about Shein with their kids items is that they have these sets, and especially it makes it easier when your kids are going back to school and they have clothes and sets already together that you could just grab it. So this first set right here was really cute with some black shorts, has the scrunchy adjustable waistband, stretchy for your kids to grow into, that may not be height wise but like stomach wise. So to match the pants, it did come with this baseball Splatter t-shirt, which I thought was cute. One thing about me, I don't really like the traditional boy clothing. Like I feel like a lot of stores always have like the traditional animal on a shirt or sports item on a shirt. I don't like that because I feel like that's so simple, and I'm a little extra, but still, like, I feel like that was no thought. Like, it's easy to throw a animal on a t-shirt or a shark on something or basketball. Like, I just don't like them type of shirts. But when I saw this and it had like the little extra stuff, I was like, this would be cute and something for him to wear to school, you know. So I definitely wanted to purchase that for my son. The next item I have here is these cute plaid shorts. They are really cute. Like the other pair of pants I showed you guys, they have the elastic band with the string adjustable to it, so it makes it comfortable for him to adjust and not have to worry about him trying to unbutton and button stuff while he's in school. I mean, he knows how to, but I'm just saying, just want to make it easier for him throughout the day while he's in school. And he has pockets, so that's really cute. And then it has a shirt to match it too. And this shirt is really cute. It's a black and it has the plaid shirt on a design on the side. I thought it was really cute. Like, I'm looking forward to him wearing it. Another set that I purchased was this blue with the orange and white stripe on the leg. Same style as the other two pants, so I'm not going to give y'all too much in that detail, but I will show you guys the shirt that matches it. This is the same style as the shorts. It's just more on the shirt than you will see on the pants. So it has that navy blue, orange, and white stripe. So that'll be really cute for him. All right, everything I purchased for him was sets, so I'm not going to go into much details anymore with the pants since they're all the same. So this is a pair of gray. The only difference with these, they don't have the adjustable string in the front, but these are the gray shorts with the pocket. And then it comes with the shirt. The shirt is white, yellow, and gray, which I think is really cute. Gives it that color block scheme. Has a little pocket in the front, which is cute, real comfortable, very lightweight. So my son is 6 going on 7 in December. He's like an average 6 years old, but on their website for them, I do purchase the 130. I think that is size 7 from 7-year-old, just because he is growing, and their clothes, when you do wash it, it does like shrink a little bit. So I feel like he will be good once we get a good wash in, which I normally do whenever I get their items. I always wash it first anyway. So definitely feel like this will be perfectly fit for him once he does wear it for school. All right, and the last item that I have for him is this graphic, I'm gonna say graffiti look, but that's not what I'm trying to say, but you know what I mean, like the graphic graffiti look. This is it right here with the adjustable string for the shorts. It has pockets. Y'all comment below what the name I'm trying to say. Like, I can't think. I want to say static, but that's not it either. But y'all know what I'm trying to describe to y'all. And it has a matching shirt, which has the black with the designer from the shorts on the stripe and a white stripe, which are really cute, really styling. Like, I don't want him to be doing too much at school, but I still want to be cute and comfortable. So I feel like this will be a perfect little set for him. So that's it for my son's back to school stuff. And I did pick up my daughter a few little items, so I'm going to show you guys those little sets. Now listen, I have a little girl, and she is a girly girl. So as soon as I opened the package y'all yesterday, she already threw the shirt on for one of the outfits. So when you show you one of these sets, I'll show you they won't have a shirt, but the shirt matches. It just, they don't have it. It's dirty. So, and y'all excuse the background noise because my sidekick has just came in the room, and she probably trying to tell me, Ma, come on. So y'all already know how it is. Let's get on into it so I can show you guys the items that I purchased for her. All right, so these are the shorts that go with the top that she wore. The saying on the shirts, the pants say Happy Place, and on the shirt it has a rainbow just like this. It looks just like this. It's just red shirt with design, and they match those pants. They're very stretchy, very cute. So this is something that she will be comfortable in when she wears to play the daycare, and that I'm okay with if it gets messy. So this is one of the sets I got her. I also brought her set too because it makes it easier for me in the morning when I'm getting them both ready for school, that I can easily grab things without having to worry about trying to like do too much for her. So I really enjoy getting them both sets if I can find some cute ones that I like for them both. So for this next piece, I do have these black little shorts for her. They are no pockets or anything, just some cute little stretchy comfortable black shorts, and then it goes with this cute little pink top here, and it says Mama is my bestie, which is true facts. If you didn't know, now you know. Okay, so this is really cute, very lightweight as well. I like really pastel colors all around for the family, but my daughter really loves pink. So when I saw this, I was like, it's not the closest shade to pink, but it's still cute, so we're gonna rock it out. So I definitely had to get it for her. All right, so this is the last item for them today. And it is a cute little black set. The black set has a double heart in white on the bottom of it. It does have the elastic band for the waist, and then to match the pants, it comes with this cute black top with the double white heart in the center, which is really cute. And I just thought this was a really cute little set to get her, because just to give her options, you know, what 2-year-old don't need options? Okay, but outside of that, guys, that's pretty much it for the Shein haul. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to thumbs up and you made it this far. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss an upload. And if you do want to see a full back to school haul, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give it to you. Outside of that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.